Hello YouTube, welcome to the first part of my XSR rebuilding series of videos. My new crate engine has arrived. Well, I say new, second hand, but still it's only a year old. First step, I'm going to take the wrapping off, see what's inside. And here she is. Initial impressions are pretty good. It's off a 2018 bike, so only a year old and 2 years newer than my bike was. And generally the condition of it looks pretty clean. The fastenings look pretty good, the casing is good. Bit of dirt and grease on the underside where it's difficult to clean, but that's what you'd expect. Looks nice and clean on the inlet side, and the cam cover nice and shiny, pretty new. Can't really see any damage. Bit of condensation on it, but that's it. Seems to come with spark plugs, but not the HT leads and everything. But I've got those obviously on my bike anyway. And on the side, again, looks good as well. One thing I'll be interested to see is the mount points where my engine block cracked, what condition the threads and stuff are there, and also what condition the header bolts are like on the exhaust side, because they were very corrosive on my bike. So see if I can flip this upright and inspect those. And here she is stood upright, and all looks pretty good to me. The exhaust bolts, yeah, they are pretty corroded, but the threads all look salvageable, which is nice. I don't want to have to do major surgery on these again after the disaster I had in my exhaust swap out video. And the two main mounting points, the threads look pretty good on either side of there. And on my bike, I'll have more detail when I take it more apart, but I think it's here that it's cracked. It hasn't cracked all the way through to the water jacket. The engine still runs fine. People have suggested it might even be repairable, but for the cost that this engine was, it was about £550. I think it's worth just getting a whole new, well, a whole replacement engine. Seems very well packaged, a nice touch with the tyres and the tie-down straps there. Not much else to say about this at this time. Next few videos will be dismantling the bike. So thanks for watching, see you next time.